Gregor Mendel, 1822–1884, was a pioneering scientist and Augustinian friar who is often referred to as the father of modern genetics. His groundbreaking work on the inheritance of traits in pea plants laid the foundation for the field of genetics. Gregor academic pursuits. Mendel studied at the University of Vienna from 1851 to 1853, where he was influenced by the scientific environment and the work of notable scientists such as Christian Doppler. Early life and background. Birth and education. Mendel was born on July 20, 1822, in Heinzendorf, now Hinsis, Czech Republic. He joined the Augustinian Abbey of St. Thomas in Brno, now in the Czech Republic, in 1843, where he was given the name. Experiments with pea plants. Research focus. Mendel's experiments, conducted between 1856 and 1863, focused on pea plants, Pisum sativum. He chose pea plants because they had easily observable traits and could be cross-pollinated manually. Traits studied. He studied 7 characteristics, including flower color, seed shape, and pod shape. Each of these traits had 2 distinct forms. Methodology. Mendel used meticulous cross-breeding techniques and kept detailed records of his observations. He cross-pollinated plants with different traits and analyzed the resulting generations. Mendel's laws of inheritance. Law of segregation. This law states that each organism carries 2 alleles for each trait, which segregate during the formation of gametes. Offspring thus inherit 1 allele from each parent. Law of independent assortment. This law posits that alleles for different traits segregate independently of one another during gamete formation. Rediscovery. Mendel's work was rediscovered around 1900 by 3 independent researchers, Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns, and Erich von Chermach. This led to widespread recognition of Mendel's contributions. Modern genetics. Mendel's principles form the basis of classical genetics. His work established the concepts of genes, alleles, dominant and recessive traits, and laid the groundwork for understanding genetic inheritance. Impact and legacy. Publication. Mendel published his findings in 1866 in the paper, Experiments on Plant Hybridization. However, his work was largely ignored by the scientific community during his lifetime. Personal life and death. Later years. Mendel became the abbot of the monastery in 1868. His administrative duties limited his scientific research. Death. Mendel died on January 6, 1884, in Brno, Austria-Hungary, now the Czech Republic. Gregor Mendel's meticulous experiments and the formulation of his laws of inheritance were crucial in understanding genetic inheritance. Despite initial obscurity, his work eventually revolutionized biology and established him as a key figure in science. Thanks for watching.